4:30 in the morning? तो सिर्फ अक्षय कुमार ही नहीं है जो सुबह सुबह उठते हैं।
नहीं, मैं उससे पहले उठता हूँ।
कि जॉन काजू कतली 23 years?
No, now nearly 30 years. My cheat food also is within those macros of the diet food, and I feel people who cheat have weak minds.
Fine, I got it.
Ouch!
जब मैं वेदा देख रही थी, एक आपका डायलॉग था जो 2-3 बार आपने फिल्म में बोला है, जहाँ आपने बोला मैं मीठा नहीं खाता।
वेदा एज अ फिल्म मेरे ख्याल से जॉन के बिना इम्पॉसिबल है।
सोचा ही नहीं मैंने कि ये वेदा क्यों बुलाया। निखिल just told me, John, the film's called Veda. I said, okay, done. The audience will keep saying, we want to see humor, we want to see dance, we want to see laughter, we want to do all that. But will that make us stop telling our story? We have to keep telling the story. That's the unfortunate part. You know, and I'm also, if I may say so, I'm half Parsi. I'm not politically correct at all. Yeah. Every actor has messaged me saying, thank you for doing this. You have done something that we could not do. It's about the jigra, you know, it's about the strength you need to have from inside to stand up.
Hi guys, welcome to Fever FM के स्टूडियो जहाँ सुबह सुबह रौनक लग गई. You know, we love hosting stars, but we love it when they come early morning. Everyone's fresh. Are you guys morning people? Are you a morning person, John?
4:30, we both 4:30 in the morning, we wake up at 4:30. Both of us have similar habits.
So 4:30 in the morning, तो सिर्फ अक्षय कुमार ही नहीं है जो सुबह सुबह उठते हैं।
नहीं, मैं उससे पहले उठता हूँ।
Not bad.
और उससे पहले सोता भी हूँ।
You know, I like what you said we have similar habits क्योंकि जो आप लोगों ने collab करा है and very successful collaborations, the latest being Veda. Are you happy with the response? How's it like?
I'm happy with the response, but I'm very happy with the film. I'm happy with the film that Nikhil has made. I'm proud of it.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of it. And for me, you know, I've said this behind Nikhil's back also. He tops my list on everything. And I'm just fortunate to be working with him.
निखिल बहुत तारीफ हो रही है, वो भी मुंह पे.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you know, John is he's very, I get very emotional when John speaks like that because I mean it's been now 32 years that I've been in the film industry. Out of the 32 years, John and I have been collaborating. I mean, we did Salamesh together in 2006, 2007, and then after that we've done 3-4 other films right now. And we constantly, he's my go-to. मैं उसको phone करता हूँ, बोलता हूँ कि you know, if I want to show him now he has got nothing to do with Mumbai Diaries. जो मैंने किया. He has nothing to do with Freedom at Midnight जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. But the first person I'll show the trailer to or the teaser to is John. I'll go up to, I'll say, John, what are you doing? So he says, I'm here, Baba, I'm here, whatever, come, whatever. So I think that, I mean, it's only natural that we make films together. It's only natural that. But Veda as a film, मेरे ख्याल से John के बिना impossible है.
You know, John, Nikhil, I have so many questions that I want to ask, but we're going to stick to Veda for now. It's fresh on everyone's mind. कई बार हम बोलते हैं, oh, this is a film with the main lead as the woman, but the man invariably overpowers, जो यहाँ नहीं हुआ. You let her have the cathartic release at the end, and you're literally there to support that impetus, that wind beneath her wings. Don't you think like a regular mainstream actor guy, didn't you feel कि यार ये
honestly,
why is it called Veda? Why is it not called Abhimanyu?
Honestly, can I probably even Nikhil doesn't know this. Can I give you the honest answer from my heart? I did not even think about it. It didn't even cross my mind till the questions came up. So for me, I trust my director. I trust Nikhil completely as a person. I trust my director, but never did this question. सोचा ही नहीं मैंने कि ये वेदा क्यों बुलाया. निखिल just told me, John, the film's called Veda. I said, okay, done.
Actually speaking, हम असीम अरोरा जो राइटर थे, मैं जो डायरेक्टर था, एक्शन डायरेक्टर जो अमीन खातिब था, मेरा जो पूरी टीम था, we worked harder on the John story. We worked harder on the अभिमन्यु story. क्योंकि अभिमन्यु का हमें पता था कि वेदा की कहानी जो है वो तो मतलब वो तो है. बट हाउ डू बी, ऐसा कभी लगना नहीं चाहिए कि ऐसा कभी लगना नहीं चाहिए कि मतलब यू नो somewhere or the other we've done injustice to the Abhimanyu story. Abhimanyu story बहुत important है.
Correct.
वो जो जिस तरह से वो silently खड़ा रहता है और वो observe करता रहता है, बहुत ही important. I knew for a fact कि उसके सारे जो fan clubs हैं ना, वो बोलेंगे तोड़ दे यार. मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस ही किया उसे, जो उसका फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस जो है, उसने पूरे एक कैंप को उसने खत्म किया. तो आप जानते हो वो क्या, व्हाट ही इज केपेबल ऑफ. वो तो तोड़ सकता है सबको, पर वो नहीं कर रहा है, वो चुप रह रहा है. उसे बोला गया है कि मतलब ये अभी आप सिविलियन हो, you have to, so he's waiting till he cannot wait anymore. You know, I feel that one of the biggest action sequences in the film is covered his face.
Yeah.
These are very big choices for a action star to take. He's covered his face in one of the biggest actions in the film.
And that's very impactful. You can't tear your eyes off the screen. Those who haven't seen the film, I think you should.
But I think that I could get away with that because of the physicality.
This show is called the Superwomania Show, right? And we look at artists like you as allies. And जो अभी currently देश का माहौल है, जो कोलकाता में हुआ, and after that I was watching this film and it has some very strong messaging. जैसे कि शर्वरी का कैरेक्टर है जो कहता है एक तो मैं दलित पैदा हुई और एक मैं लड़की हूँ. So that double oppression. Just individuals, how did you guys react to something like that? Because I know for the longest time I was kind of avoiding it. We're so used to reading violence against women that you almost want to run away from it. But as people from the industry, you make films, people look up to you and your role models. What is the message you want to give out to the youth of this country that mostly is very disillusioned with what is happening around?
So I think this is my honest feedback. I think we'll have to keep telling this story. We'll have to keep telling this story. The audience will keep saying, we want to see humor, we want to see dance, we want to see laughter, we want to do all that. But will that make us stop telling our story? We have to keep telling this story. That's the unfortunate part. That's what, in fact, Nikhil brought this to light in an interview. And he's saying it's unfortunate that we have to tell this story in 2024.
Yeah.
It is so sad that we're talking about this. So, does that make us get scared about commercial failure or success? I don't think so, because we'll keep telling another story that's impactful. And that's what should differentiate us, hopefully, from the others. I wish others were like this. Others were brave enough to tell these stories. And I'm also, if I may say so, I'm half Parsi. I'm not politically correct at all. Yeah. I go and I blurt out something somewhere and I go and want to crack someone's head somewhere. And every actor has messaged me saying, thank you for doing this. You have done something that we could not do. But the point is, they're still not doing it. They're still not doing it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying someone has to be the flag bearer of this. And I think as a director, Nikhil is a flag bearer of it. He's very brave. And he's got me as his accomplice. He's got me as his wingman. I think दोनों साथ में करेंगे हम लोग.
इतने कमर्शियल सक्सेस के बाद थोड़ा तो दिमाग में वे होता होगा ना कि ये एस्केपिस्ट सिनेमा शायद आसान हो. People that, like he suggested, कि उनको वो पसंद है. मैं इतने हार्ड हिटिंग इतना भी सच ना बोलूं.
I think the time has come that we have to now stop staying away from it. The most important thing is that it is our choice. We have to choose the right people who are going to be taking our voice forward.
We talk about empowering women, but अब बात हो रही है about educating men, making them realize.
I think that's the core issue.
Yeah. And people look up to you, John. They want to dress up like you, build their body like you. What will you tell to the young boys of this country?
To stand up against atrocities, to stand up, to be brave, to stand up against, when you see an atrocity doesn't necessarily mean a man beating a woman.
Correct.
Could be anything. Could be anything across the board, which is very evident in everyday lives. To stand up for that cause and not be scared. I would say that's what I would tell my young man. The young man out there I would tell him it's not about the six-pack abs. It's not about the big biceps. It's about the jigra. It's about the strength you need to have from inside to stand up. That's very important.
I think coming from you, that will mean a lot.
Yeah.
And, you know, so important for our stars to speak up. John, I think कहीं पे ना मैंने ये इंटरव्यू मैनिफेस्ट किया, क्योंकि जब मैं वेदा देख रही थी, एक आपका डायलॉग था जो 2-3 बार आपने फिल्म में बोला है, जहाँ आपने बोला मैं मीठा नहीं खाता. और मैंने कहा मैं जॉन से पूछा था कि अभी भी, because last time I met you, and I found it very hard to believe कि जॉन काजू कतली 23 years.
No, now nearly 30 years.
What is this?
Yeah.
So still you haven't, and I kept thinking
In fact, Nikhil has stopped.
जॉन एक बाइट खा लेते तो क्या होता?
नहीं खा सकता हूँ मैं, लेकिन if it doesn't have sugar, I'll have it.
But you haven't had anything meetha. Like I thought there was such a. Did you insert it in the script somehow?
I think no.
Was that improv?
I think the script is मुझे पता था कि मैं जॉन अब्राहम के साथ पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ.
तो वो मीठा नहीं खाएगा.
टेलर मेड था, और क्योंकि वहाँ से वो सेगवे था ना कि मैं मीठा नहीं खाता, तो मतलब बना ही सेज की प्रसाद तो मतलब जहर भी होता है ना. I mean, that allows Abhishek's, that allows me to make the प्रधान का क्या बिलीफ है. और ये सब मैं उसमें विश्वास नहीं करता.
I am Abhimanyu. मैं इन सब चीजों में विश्वास नहीं करता.
किसमें विश्वास
नहीं
उस पे करते हो?
हाँ,
फिल्म में तो आप नहीं करते वैसे.
नहीं. I am practically, अब जैसे बोलते हैं ना agnostic, I'm practically an atheist. और मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बोलने में. लेकिन जो religious है ना, मैं बहुत jealous हूँ उनसे, क्योंकि they have something that I don't have, and that is faith.
Faith. That's a line from The Gift of Faith.
Yeah, the faith can move mountains. And it's actually faith and not religion.
But I have faith. I have faith in hard work.
Yeah.
My faith is hard work.
Yeah.
I feel कि मतलब कुछ भी कर लीजिए आप, मेरे सारे जो फिल्म्स है, जो चली या नहीं चली, जो शोज है चली या नहीं चली, एक भी व्यूअर ये नहीं कह सकता है कि इसमें हार्ड वर्क नहीं है.
Tell me, how is life, Stuti? Waking up at 4:30, not having any meetha.
Listen, I wake up at 4:30, but I have meet. but really hats off to you. So I kept thinking कि John से पूछूंगी थोड़ा, little bit. Does he cheat? No. When was the last time you cheated?
So there's no concept.
I think your cheat food is also a diet food, no?
Yeah. My cheat food also is within those macros of the diet food, and I feel people who cheat have weak minds.
Fine, I got it.
Ouch.
But let me tell you, you're in a minority in this.
Yeah. I'm not implying any specific person. I always feel that way. I feel anybody who's offering you something wrong is your enemy. I mean, I'm not saying that, but I treat it that way.
हमने सिर्फ इनको ब्लैक कॉफी ऑफर करी और कुछ नहीं. हम सोच रहे थे हम काजू कतली, हमने कहा हम ये पंगा नहीं लेंगे.